Hello and welcome everyone. God bless you. Thanks for tuning in today. It's truly a pleasure to connect with each of you, and I promise to keep you encouraged and always excited about learning. Today, we will decode prepositions. These tiny words play a huge role in making your sentences clear, precise, and meaningful. So, what exactly is a preposition? Think of it as a bridge that connects nouns, pronouns, or phrases to other words in a sentence. Imagine navigating through a maze. Prepositions are like signboards, guiding us to where we need to be. Prepositions indicate relationships, whether it's time, place, direction, possession, or even purpose and reason. Let's make this fun and simple. Prepositions are small words with a big job. For example, the keys are on the table. Here, on shows where the keys are. I will call you after lunch. Here, after shows when something will happen. She walked towards the door. Here, towards shows the direction of her movement. There are three types of prepositions. Number one, prepositions of place or location. Prepositions of time and prepositions of direction. Let's start with prepositions of place. These tell us where something is. Examples include in, on, under, beside, and between. Here are a few examples. At. Look who's at the door. Turn left at the next crossing. On. The dictionary is lying on the table. Over. Put a jacket over your shirt. The fan was directly over our heads. Between. There's a beautiful painting between the two windows. The book is between the two pillows. Under. The cat lay crouched under the table. The shoes are under the bed. Across. The library is just across the road. You need to swim across the pond to get to the village. In. I spent my childhood in Tamil Nadu. The kids are in the park. The phone is on the desk. The lamp is beside the sofa. Notice how each preposition shows a specific location. For example, in, the phone is on the desk. On tells us where the phone is, above, and in contact with the desk surface. Now here's your exercise. Pause the video, fill in the blanks with prepositions of place, and then resume to check your answers. Next, let's talk about prepositions of time. These tell us when something happens. Common examples are before, after, at, on, and during. Let's look at their usage. I woke up before sunrise. Now here before shows an earlier time. She called me after lunch. After shows a later time. At. He's sleeping at the moment. She learned Spanish at 55. The train arrives at 10 a.m. Now, at specifies the exact time. We will go to the movie on Saturday. We met on Monday. On pinpoints a specific day. It continued to rain during the night. They played music during the party. Now, during refers to a duration of time. In winters, temperatures fall below 0 degrees. In June, they soar to 50 degrees. You must get home by 8 p.m. Since. Counting has been in progress since morning. Until. Please wait here until I come back. Understanding prepositions of time is key to sounding natural in conversations. Now, it's time for a quick exercise. Pause the video, fill in the blanks using appropriate prepositions of time, and then unpause to check your answers. Finally, let's talk about prepositions of direction. These indicate movement or direction. Examples include to, towards, through, and across. She went to the store. To shows the destination. At. He threw a stone at the dog. Towards. The aircraft was flying towards New York. They walked towards the park. Towards indicates a general direction. Against. The waves struck against the shore. Off. Take your hand off my shoulder. From. He has been transferred from his office. Out of. He took a letter out of his pocket. Over. The thief jumped over the wall and disappeared into a side lane. The car drove through the tunnel. Now here, through implies movement inside a space. He swam across the river. Across shows movement from one side to another. The ball rolled into the basket. Here, into describes entry into a space. Each preposition paints a clear picture of where the movement happens or leads. Here's your final exercise. Pause the video. Complete the blanks with prepositions of direction and resume to see the answers. Even advanced learners slip up with prepositions. For example, we say, she is good at maths, not good in maths. Why? Because at is used for skills or expertise. Let's look at another example. We arrived at the station, not in the station, because at focuses on the point of arrival. Ready for a quiz? Fill in the blanks with correct preposition and I'll explain each answer. The gift is dash the table. Now your options are on, in, under. The correct answer is on. The gift is placed above the table's surface. I was born dash May. Your options are on, in and at. Now the correct answer is in. In is used for months, years and centuries. He walked dash the bridge. Your options are on, across, through. What's your correct answer? Across. It describes movement from one side to another. The meeting starts dash 3 p.m. At, on or in? Okay, the correct answer is at. Use at for specific times. We went dash the tunnel to the other side. Your options are across, through and to. Your correct answer is through. It shows movement inside an enclosed space. Now, to sum up, prepositions are powerful tools for linking words and creating clarity. Mastering location, time and direction, prepositions will make your sentences clear and confident. Now, before we wrap up, here's a quick task for you. Create 5 sentences using prepositions from each category: time, place, and direction. This will help you reinforce everything you've learned today. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to eClub for more amazing content. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you never miss on a video. Keep practicing, keep improving, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Until then, happy learning!